Everywhere you look, people are saying the AI publishing gold rush is over. Maybe you've heard the rumors. AI books don't sell anymore. Amazon is cracking down. The market is too crowded. So, do AI books really sell on Amazon in 2026? The short answer is yes, but only if you do it the right way. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what's changed, why most AI publishers fail, and how you can still make real sales with AI-powered books this year. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's get into it. All right, part one, the reality check. Let's get one thing straight. AI books do sell. In fact, thousands of them sell every single day. But here's the catch. Most of them aren't the generic copy and paste books that most people flood Amazon with. Think about it. In 2023 and 2024, the big hype was speed. Everyone was using ChatGPT to pump out 50 books in a week, mostly hoping that one of them would take off. And sure, some people got lucky. But by 2025, Amazon had tightened its standards. Readers got smarter too. They could smell low-content AI books a mile away. So in 2026, AI publishing is less about flooding the market and more about precision. The books that actually sell now are polished, focused, and usually backed by real strategies. Which brings me to part two, why most AI publishers fail. Here's why 90% of AI books flop. They're in the wrong niche, people jump into saturated categories like romance or generic self-help, and then what happens? They disappear into the crowd. Or they publish raw AI text without editing. The result? Repetitive, awkward, or just plain boring content. Readers leave one-star reviews and then Amazon buries the books. Or finally, they have terrible covers and keywords. Let's be honest, if your cover looks cheap or your title doesn't hook readers, then no one's clicking. It's not that AI doesn't work. It's that publishers are skipping the basics of what it takes to sell a book on Amazon KDP. And then finally, part three, how AI books actually sell in 2026. So what's working right now? It comes down to three things. Number one, choose profitable niches. You need to publish where there's demand, but not cutthroat competition. Niches like personal productivity hacks, specific diet or lifestyle guides, or niche educational content are all still wide open. Number two, polish your content. Use AI to draft quickly, but then edit it heavily. Add stories, examples, and real insights. Run it through Grammarly, check it with AI detection tools, and rewrite it until it's 100% human. Number three, presentation is everything. Covers, titles, and keywords are what get people to click. AI can help brainstorm, but invest the time to make them look professional. When you combine those three, smart niches, polished content, strong presentation, that's when AI books don't just sell once, they'll sell consistently. So, do AI books really sell on Amazon in 2026? Absolutely! But the days of spamming low-quality uploads are over. The authors who treat this like a real business, with strategy, editing, and branding, they are the ones winning and dominating right now. If you want the step-by-step system that I use to actually publish AI books that sell, I break it all down inside my course. It covers everything from niche research to AI editing workflows to scale your income. Check the link in the description if you're ready to take this seriously. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more tips because I'll be sharing the strategies that work right now in 2026. And if you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.